Is there anybody going to listen to my story? All about the boy who came to stay. He's the kind of boy you want so much it makes you sorry. Still you don't regret a single day. Oh think of all the times I tried so hard to leave him, he will turn to me and start to cry. And he promises the earth to me, and I believe him. After all this time, I don't know why. Oh he's the kind of boy who puts you down when friends are there, you feel a fool. When you say he's looking good, he acts as if it's understood he's cool. Was he told when he was young that fame would lead to pleasure? Did he understand it when they said that a man must break his back to earn his day of